I'm tired of looking like shit on your For You page, so let's do some makeup together. So I already used toner. It's this one, my moisturizer. Okay, next I'm gonna shave off my mustache hair. Alright, I'm gonna go in with these next, just to keep my skin more hydrated. I got this from Shelby's video, and I really like them. It feels really soothing on the skin. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this. To be honest with you, this is not my favorite primer, but I see a lot of people like rave about it, and so I'm going in with my favorite. I'm in the shade 120. If you're looking for one, an aesthetic tutorial, and two, a light coverage and a little bit of brow and mascara, then I am not the girly for you. I grew up with the 2016 beauty gurus, and like Jaclyn Hill, Desi Perkins, Katie, those three were my top. And Manny MUA, I love him. So I'm like, I don't know how to do a little bit and a little eyebrow and blush. I can't commit. I gotta do full send or nothing. Okay, next we're gonna go in with my Hourglass concealer, the shade Silk. I like the Huda Beauty powder, setting powder. It's my favorite. So now I'm gonna use my favorite. It just kind of helps lock everything in. And now we wait. Let this concealer dry down a little bit so you get really nice coverage while we wait. Let me brush your face. I feel like nobody does this anymore, but I also just straight up use powder, blush, and bronzer. So I got the old tried and true. I know my brushes are dirty, but mind your business. Of course, my husband is taking a shit. Shit. Of course. If you hear farting, that's my husband. My favorite blush ever. My favorite shade is obviously Stargaze and Twilight. Still do the 2016 shit. Highlighter. Precious Petals, bitch. Who remembers Precious Petals? This is my favorite palette of all time. I love you. My holy grail. Ethereal Eyes. Makeup by Mario. Like, my fave. Like, we love her. We cherish her. I'm gonna do a super basic look. The one that's fucking barely there. And that's it. I'll put a little bit in my inner corner. The crooked pinky works so good for this part. Just a little, it fits right in there. Lips before I do my lashes. I need to sharpen that. Okay, so this is MAC stripped down. She's well loved. This is MAC cherish. Maybe I just never looked that close, but maybe my lips are just crooked. I don't know. Babe, I swear to God. Oh my God. We're going in with these bitches. I always use just the Falscara. So I usually just go to there and call it a day. Alright, I'm gonna do the other eye of camera because I feel like that's boring. And I'll be back. Okay, girl, now we're done. Hopefully I showed you a little something today in this hot mess tutorial. But if you stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.